Welcome to the checkout guide. Many Shopify stores face problems when customers use unlimited discounts. For example, if you create a 10% discount and a customer places a very large order, the discount amount can become too high and reduce your profit. So in this video, I'll show how to set a maximum discount per order using the Next Discount app in Shopify. So if you're new to this channel, please subscribe, like, share, comment and press the bell icon. Let's get started. First, we can go to the Shopify admin dashboard, then go to the app section. Here, click on Next Discount app. Then here, click on Create New Discount. Here, the discount type I set to discount code, and here the code I set as say 10. Then the discount value as percentage. Here, give 10. Then this is the capping amount. This is very important part. This means set maximum discount value. Here I set 50. So the capping amount limit the maximum discount that customer can receive. So even if 10% become more than $50, the discount will stop at 50. So this is very important part. Then the discount applies for all product. Then here discount message for automatic discount. Then minimum purchase requirement. Here I choose this. Then the customer eligibility for all customer. Then maximum discount uses I limit to 1 use per customer. Then here we can set the dates. The offers start from this date, and here set the end date to this. Then this product discount can be combined with, here I choose all. Then it will appear on all these section. Now we can click on save. Now it has been saved. So next we can test. For that, click on view store. Here it is. This is our store. Then click on one product. Here we can, there is, click on add to cart. Here it is. Here the product price is $225. So the 3 quantity, it will be actually $675. So here we can see it is in $625, because even though 10% offer for $675, it should give $67.5 as offer. But the app limit the discount to $50. That is, we added a maximum capping amount as 50. So the amount we have to pay is now $625. So there is limit up to above $50. It will be stopped. So that's it. So that's how you can set a maximum discount per order in Shopify using Next Discount app. So follow for more Shopify tips and tutorial. If you like this video, please subscribe, like, share, comment and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.